Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Hunt, oral and facial surgeon here in Rome, Georgia, Riverside Oral and Facial Surgery. Our practice has been in the Rome area indirectly for 10 years, but full-time for 4 years. Our practice is built on compassion and serving our patients. We try to provide above standard of care. We have a modern surgical facility here. And with all the newest equipment, we're able to provide your needs even better. Our staff is very well trained, very professional. We try to make your care here as pleasant as possible and as affordable as possible. We provide full scope surgery for all your oral surgery needs, also for any kind of facial cosmetic surgery procedures you might be interested in to make yourself look better. We're here 5 days a week, always available after hours and on weekends as well. We look forward to meeting you when you come in for your consultation. I attended school, undergraduate at Georgia Tech, and then went on to Baylor College of Dentistry in Dallas, Texas for my dental training. I then did an oral and facial surgery fellowship and residency in Augusta, Georgia. It used to be called the Medical College of Georgia. It's changed names since then. I practiced for a couple of years, went back to medical school at the University of Alabama to get my medical degree, and then got my medical license after doing a general surgery internship in South Carolina. I knew I wanted to go into the medical dental field even in high school. The actual oral and facial surgery field opened to me when I was a first-year dental student. All the different specialties came and introduced themselves to the students in the first-year class, and I fell in love with oral surgery immediately and have loved it ever since. It's definitely a passion of mine. I think patients would choose Riverside Oral Facial Surgery over other practices because we do provide excellent care and compassion for every patient that comes through the door. We have the full scope of procedures available compared to some other practices. We have, I think our staff is better trained than other practices, and I know that our facility is state-of-the-art with everything we're able to offer. We have a CAT scan machine in the office for proper diagnosis of treatment and problems, and we have the latest surgical equipment to try to make your surgery as exact and accurate as possible and to minimize your recovery. My motivation for starting Riverside Oral and Facial Surgery stemmed from being in a group practice in the Atlanta area for 16 years. Became better educated in running a business, and I wanted to make some changes that I felt like I do a lot better on my own. It's been a very rewarding experience, and I'm happy to say that now that we've been in Rome as a solo practice for 4 years, I'm excited about bringing on a new associate, Dr. Will Smalley, who you'll get a chance to meet as well when you come to the office. I think I'm known best for being compassionate to patients and actually showing that I care for them. I'm not in practice strictly for the business part of the practice. I enjoy the art of oral and facial surgery, and the best rewards I can receive from a patient is seeing the before and after and how much it can change their life. I want all my patients to know that whenever they're in our office, I'll do my very best and my staff will do their very best to take care of you, to address all your concerns, to make sure everything is satisfactory to you or beyond, and I want to make your visit here pleasant. I want you to feel at home here and want your care to turn out very successful.